Hello everyone, myself Nikita Singh. I have secured an All India rank of 9645 with a score of 630 out of 720. I have been allotted Lady Hardinge Medical College, LHMC, Delhi this year. I'm a first year MBBS student right now. Now talking about my journey, so it starts with failure. Last year I failed because I couldn't write Neet because of certain health issues. So this year I just passed exam with flying colors because of family support, my friend support and my teacher support. So, and of course my own hard work. So basically I would say, talking about my daily schedule and timetable during my NEET preparation, what I did was I used to exercise daily, go for yoga, meditation, and used to read NCERT almost every day. For biology and chemistry, NCERT is must, but for physics, I would say you can go for some extra modules and online platforms. While I would say you to focus more on revisions and tests, because that they are the only game changers. So for NEET, I would just say this: NCERT, test, mock test, revision, mistake notebook, properly analyzing things and believing in yourself. That's the key. Okay, so I was also enrolled in one of the most prestigious medical institutes for a medical. After NEET, when I came to know that I cracked NEET and I was getting a medical college this year, I really wanted to be in one of the most prestigious colleges. So Bodmas really helped me out in this. One day my dad was scrolling in YouTube, and then he came to know about Bodmas. When he came and met Ashok sir, I also met him that day, and I really thought that it would be fruitful for me to come here. With the help and cooperation of Bodmas family and all the members here, I have landed myself into Lady Hardinge Medical College. So from counseling process to motivating me for future, Bodmas team really helped me out in all aspects. I would just say one thing. See, counseling changes a lot of things. You might have gotten a very good score, but still people land up in a very normal college. Like they could get a very good college. So counseling is really very important. That's what I thought, and that's what I felt. And here I am with the results. So Ashok sir really helped me in collecting all the documents, making list of all the colleges that I could really get nearby. Mainly that's what I wanted, near Delhi, NCR, and all the top colleges from other states also. The whole Bodmas team made a priority list of all the colleges. So the whole Bodmas team painted a picture from beautiful colors and made me fly from where I was. So I would just say thank you to everyone here who helped me out in taking good decisions in life and deciding a good college and getting enrolled into that. So I'm really enjoying my first year in Lady Hardinge Medical College. I hope you enjoyed this.